Hey Herb friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Michelangelo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles for beginners. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the face further over to the right. We're going to leave enough space for the bandana coming in behind. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, and this will be the top of the nose. We're going to curve this line out on the left, and then we'll do that exact same thing on the right. Let's come up for the eyes now. So from this line here, we're just going to curve this up on the left, replicating that on the right as well. Let's draw in some arch lines here. So stepping up on this line, we're going to curve this all the way around and down. And then we'll do that exact same thing on the right. Now as we step over on the inside, for that pupil, we're just going to curve this back around and in to the bottom. And then on the top again, we're going to add in a highlight, so just a nice big circle right in the middle. Now let's color in our eye black. Let's move up above this now, drawing in a nice big arch line on the top, and then we'll do that exact same thing on the right. Let's close this off in the center with a slight curved line. We're going to step up on this line, pulling this around and through on the left, and then we'll do that exact same thing on the right. Let's come down now from the bottom here. Just going to curve this around and in like we did on the top, ending that at the same width. And then we'll close this off on the side with a diagonal line coming up to the top. Let's close off the top of the head now. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Let's come down for the mouth. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line again. We're going to draw in a corner bracket, curving that over and in on both sides. Let's step underneath for that smile, and again, curving this all the way down, arching that back up on the right. For the tongue in the center, curving this out on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving that across. Let's come down for the chin, drawing in a nice big arch line again. Now for the cheek on the left-hand side from that corner, just curving this around, pulling that into the chin. And then we're going to replicate that on the opposite side. So we're just going to pull this around and back in on the bottom. Let's continue the bandana behind. So on the top here, above this line, we're going to curve this up, tucking this down and out to the left. And then from that point, we're just going to round this out, curving this down and back in. On the top here, arching this over and across. Now let's come underneath on the top. So we're going to come in behind, curving that through directly to the top of our page. And then from that point, we're going to pull this down, up, and over towards the head. Now from here on the left-hand side, curving this up and across in the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Michelangelo for beginners from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.